How to add frames to thumbnails in Canva. This is what I'm going to show you in this video using the app Canva. And don't worry, every feature we are using in this tutorial is for free. You basically have three options to add a frame in Canva. Choose the one which fits the best for you and your use case. Let's start with the first one, to use effects for creating the frame. This method you can use for images or photos you just uploaded to Canva or you have chosen from the elements inside Canva. Once you've created a new design, for example 16:9, and uploaded your image to Canva, you can just click on your image and then on edit. After that, go to effects and shadow. Here you can choose between different effects, for example glow or outline. After adding and adjusting those effects as you would like them to have, you can see that you have something like a frame if you scale the image to the whole page. The second option is to add a frame using pre-made frame templates you can find in the Canva media library. Just go to the elements and search for frame or shadow frame 16:9 and you will get many elements, also free ones to choose from. Add the pre-made frame to your design, adjust the size to fit your image and you are ready to download it. The third option is very customizable. After finishing your YouTube thumbnail or upload any image, you can click on the elements and choose this square element. This element is very special because you can change its shape in any kind. Just grab the edges or corners to make it fit on your design. To make it look as a frame, you just need to change the color to transparent and adding a border to the shape. One bonus tip to make it look more 3D and clickable is to add a shadow inside the frame by searching for shadow 16:9 under elements and adding it to the page. Just adjust the size and the position of the frame and change the layer behind the frame. You can see it makes the thumbnail looking very natural and something like a 3D frame. Thank you for watching and see you next time.